Good morning to all. Welcome to Vista's online class. Computer Application for Business, Department of Management Studies. Myself, Dr. S. Nagasundaram, Assistant Professor, Department of MCA, Vistas. Computer Application for Business. In this program, the outcomes are describe the fundamental of computer, explain the basics of hardware and software, identify different components of hardware systems, discuss about the word processing using Microsoft Word, demonstrate working with spreadsheet using Microsoft Excel. Computer is a combination of hardware and software. First of all, introduction to computer is fast electronic calculating machine. It accepts digitalized input information and it process it, then produce output information. Nowadays, computer applications are various organizations they have to used. First of all, education, commerce, industry, administration, science and technology, transportation, professionals and individuals. In this science and technology, they are using for some of the classes, some information gathered from the computers. In commerce means commercial oriented places. They have to use some of the billing purpose and they have to store all the informations. In industries, it can be execute one of the networked systems. So the administration and some other departments of purchase, raw materials and sales, everything should be stored in that systems used by industry. Administrations, they are used for lot of information about the organization and the employees. The science and technologies are nowadays the technology used for so many computer levels, and the transportation they are used for one of the position of our tickets, and the bus moving locations and ending with everything should be identified. The professionals are they are storing informations, they are stored some of the research informations. Individuals are also used for some of the entertainments. Limitation of computer. Computer limitation is programmed by human beings. It cannot think and work independently, cannot take decisions, maintain and updated by user, no feelings and ethics. History of computer. The computer development and the technology development, it can be used various generations, the various stages of evolution. The mechanical era, in the era of 1623 to 1945. So in this year, they have to use one of the mathematicals and some calculations. The first generation computers are 1946 to 1959. The second generation of computer is 1959 to 1965. Third generation of computer is 1965 to 1971. Fourth generation of computer is 1971 to 1980. Fifth generation of computer is 1980 to till date. Now we are also having in the fifth generation of computer. First of all, mechanical era. In this mechanical era, they are used for only the mathematical calculations. So the machines are abacus, Chinese mathematical calculator, and also they have to develop into analytical engine invented by Charles Babbage in the year of 1834, and also they have to use punched card systems in 1890s. First generation of computers, they are used vacuum tubes. Vacuum tubes were used as electronic circuits or electronic switches. There is no operating systems are used. In this generation, the systems are ENIAC 1946 and EDVAC 1949. Second generation of computers are transistors are used. It is also no operating systems are found. The machines are CDC 1604 and IBM 1794. So the second generation of computer, the IBM systems are also introduced. Third generation of computer. In this third generation of computer, the integrated circuits are used. Operating systems are also included. In these systems, IBM 360 series and TDC 316 systems are used. The fourth generation of computers are VLSI chips, improved operating systems, and Star 1000 Cray 1 systems are also used. The fifth generation of computers, ULSI technology and artificial intelligence. So in this generation of computers, they are used for AMD Athlon 64 processor and Intel Pentium processor. Type of computers. Based on that, the computer execution method, we have to classify it into three type of computer on the basis of operating systems, on the basis of application, and the basis of capacity or size. Basis of operating system principles. So in these systems, digital computer, analog computer, and hybrid computers. Basis of capacity. Based on the capacity, the systems are also classified into four types. One is microcomputer or personal computer, mini computer, mainframe computer, and supercomputer. Computer architecture. Computer also classified into three categories. One is that input, second one is central process unit, and the third one is output device. So in these input devices, they have to getting some of the informations. So the user can interact with the systems used for one of the input device. The central process units are it comprises of control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and memory management. The third one is output device. In this output device, it showing that result or it displaying some of the information to the users. Input unit. So it is a accept data or instruction. The instruction are given by the user. Next, convert it into computer acceptable form. Supplies converted instruction to computer system for further processing. The input devices are keyboard, mouse, and various operating input systems are also available. Central process unit. Data processed as per instruction given through programmer. CPU comprises of arithmetical logical unit, control unit, and primary memories. Arithmetical logical unit. It is used for some of the mathematical calculations. Arithmetical logical unit. Execution of instruction take place. Calculation and decisions are made. Control units. It directs all operations. Nerve center of computer. Controls and coordinate all hardware operations. Primary memory. Primary memories are also used to support any one of the program can execute. It's storing data and instruction during the processing. Primary memories are RAM and ROM. Random access memory, read-only memory. Secondary memories. It is also used to store permanently of data values, saving the data permanently for further use. It is also hard disk, CD, DVD, floppy disk. Output unit. It supply information and results to user. The output units are monitor and printer. The monitor and printers are also used output units, but the monitor also used to soft print, soft output device and soft copies. The printer also it will take the print values. It is also called that hard copies. Thank you.